The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Good morning. We're heading to Port Antonio. I know y'all probably saw that in the last vlog, but I'm opening up a new vlog here.
Oh, you never.
Hey guys, so we're gonna go budget shopping. I think I'm gonna stay within my 260. If you watch my budgeting videos, I give myself 260.
Buy some this week.
And then wait till the next.
And then wait till buy the rest.
I'm gonna give myself when I'm in the US, I give myself 260 every 2 weeks to like gas, groceries, everything. Down here I'm gonna try to stick to my budget because this was not a planned trip, so I wasn't like really, you know, so still trying to change my budget because since we still got goals, we still have goals.
The girl make him man gone through.
Oh, that's no. I'd rather say they're coming through.
We're not very uptown.
Shafoni.
Shafoni can't play music for me.
Yeah, I'm ready cinema. R&B mix.
So yeah, we're gonna go to shopping. I'm gonna go get some money.
So, no, this
I'm not coming out though.
Oh, yeah,
I'm send sweets.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go shopping for my quarantine police. I'm not going nowhere. I have on a lip gloss.
My phone is still motion.
Yourself there, Aunt me. I am wake up suddenly.
They play Batman.
That's a man for you.
Come on, man, I watch the round, so.
I don't mean say. She better man, she drop. Look where she has stand up. She not afraid she drop back here.
Then I over there gone. I over the place then gone.
No, she did it. So if you're not feeling drop up here.
You know, poo down there.
I'm man down there.
Oh. So wait, I want to come to again.
Like some more cars.
It look like you stop both sides and make and something I go on there and then them let go that side and I will if I carry the run and stuff. But then can't ease up now, I could go. Alright guys, music coming, so check y'all later. I find a press on nails. I know I showed y'all in yesterday. Shop done that now? I found my nail. I told y'all I lost my thumb and I found it. It was in my handbag, so with it back up with our press on nails, them save your money, sis. Do your own nails, period. Alright. Guys, I them here living everyone. Look here. In the middle of the road, the man took off his shoes, put to the side in my sunbathe. Cover up him eye and everything. In a hat. In a jacket, gloves and everything. Poor thing. And then relaxation we need. He's unbothered. Hey guys, so down here so windy, I have to fix up my ear. I have to pin it up. It's not hot, it's just windy and it's all over the place. But anyway, we'll get patty before we do anything. We just dropped off my mama. Mama went to the doctor to go get some medication and we'll go oh, there's a new trick that I learned. I'm always like telling you because people always ask. So anyway, usually I told y'all what I'll do when I come down. I'll come down and use my bank card where it can be used, and then I'll just go to the ATM and pull the money. But then you do have a fee and the bank give you a lower rate. So what I did, my mom told me this, is I sent the money through MoneyGram and Sweet's gonna pick it up and you get a better rate there. Okay, so I think at the bank it's like 137 or 138. When Sweet's pick it up, it would be 141. So that's a better rate, and you know, so that worked out. So but anyway, the dilemma right now is that MoneyGram line long, so if we don't, I mean, we don't have to get it today. Hey, me see, to the right where the Camlin's there line, but not full like how you say run as a full. Where you come in Chinese store, in a store? Yeah, I feel like that one is empty. But yeah, so that would depend. But me have to stop and get some come here that hurt me, so we get patty.
They gotta get the patty, they get the
But I didn't get the patty yet, I get the receipt. Because we have to wait 15 minutes for a patty. Like, how are you at patty shop and it's 12 o'clock, lunchtime, and you're not having the patty ready? Come on. All this about people in business and they don't know to run business. Because I prime time now for our patty. But anyway, we're gonna move again. I'm not carrying on with the camera too much excited. Now I walk right there. So. Hey y'all, so I'm in the car. It is so hot outside. I got patty. Let me show you. A cheese patty, and I got orange juice, but the juice done. I had to buy a cup of ice to put the juice in, because the juice they warm. So right now I'm just in the car. Sweets went to go get something. My grandma and Shav went to the farmer's market. So I'm just here cooling off from the car, because boy, it is hot outside. I just saw Chatty Murray TV as well. Chatty, big up yourself. If anybody subscribe to Chatty, he's also a Portland YouTuber. Big up himself. Like, my love when we meet up with our Portland people there. And I also just saw a day one too. She was in a car. I didn't get her name, but if you're seeing this, comment down below. It was nice seeing you. She was like, "Dang, she was like, where's Sweets?" And I was just like, "Oh, Sweets too." I told him, he was all blushing. But Sweets told me that one of his past teachers called him Sweets. I saw him by, "Hey Sweets." I said, "Oh, she must have watched my vlogs." That's funny. But I didn't buy anything. I didn't get to get the money from MoneyGram because the lines are so long. So, but it's like I borrowed some money from my mom here, but because I can't. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all. So something with Shav and Sweets buy. Well, they buy socks. Sweets love socks. I don't get it. I'm out socks and I'm still gonna buy socks. So anyway, they bought this socks here. I think Shav got Shav found it first and I really liked this. So I told Sweets to get it too. So Sweets got this as well. He got this one. Well, I picked out his socks. He got this one and this one, and Shav got this and this. So they got 5 pairs of socks. I know, I think Sweets bought another one. Where are they? Oh, I think he took it out, maybe. But yeah, that's what they did. I'm just here broke. I have no money. Cause I'm not one of the, I don't come down with US. I don't usually come down with US. I didn't come down with $1 this time around. So yeah, I'm broke. Sweet's just been buying me food, keeping me happy, cause child, I'm broke. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do as far as money goes, y'all. I'll probably borrow some money from mama, like the same amount that I was gonna get from the MoneyGram. I think I'm gonna borrow that from mama and then just give her back when I have time to pull it. But for now, Sweet's gotta feed me. He's been feeding me. I really wanted to go to supermarket, you know. The thing is, I have to go to supermarkets. There's no food like that I want at the house, but that means I would have to use my debit card, and that's over budget. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. The lines are too long to wait. We've been to 3 different spots, 3 different MoneyGram, and them all full up. And Sweets was even waiting in the line while I went somewhere, and I got back and he barely moved. They just move slow. Businesses down here, some businesses move, well, not some, I feel like all businesses down here, they move slow, man. They need more workers. I call them cheap enough, so they can hire some more people. But anyway, guys, I just want to come check in and tell you what I'm going. Yeah, that's how I'm going. I'm seeing people I know, they be like, "You never just left." I think you did left. Surprise. Me think me left too. I'm saying I come back for now. Like I was talking to Kim and I was like, yo, me not even know when I come back to Jamaica. Me take a break. Even though this one wasn't it wasn't necessarily a personal trip. It's more like an emergency. I'm gonna call it an emergency, but not in a bad way. I had to come. My mom couldn't come, so I had to come deal with some business. And yeah, that's why I'm here. I'm on the phone probably things like, oh, I see to make I come back down here now, because I definitely said I wasn't gonna come back down here for a while. Guys, I'm bored, so I'm just sitting here. Talk to y'all later. Hey guys, we are going home. I feel like I'm gonna get what we do really want to go post today. We did go grocery shopping a little bit, a few things. Shop with Bigfoot broke up the egg already.
The egg broke.
I'm gonna say egg broke. So guys, I'm probably a shake because the road bad.